you are basically having, which is now the term of the equation. We're gonna write it. So it's 27 and then minus 6 and plus 1. So that's the equation we're gonna write it, right? So remember this equation here is only the same thing. The writing Tn is equal to what? 27 and plus 1. So it represents our n term, right? And then once to find the common difference, remember the common difference we get it by just saying a common difference from T2 divided by T1. But then must first find the first term, which is T1, as well as the second term, which is T2, in order for us to find the common difference. So we're just gonna say in the place of n, we're gonna put 1 so that we can get our first term. So it will be T1 equals to what? 7 minus 6 into. Then it means that in the place of n, we're gonna put 1, so it will be 1 plus 1. Then we're gonna have therefore term 1 being equals to what? 7 multiplied by 2. So our first term is gonna be what? 7 minus 6 into 2. So 15 represents our first term, which is t number 1, right? Then we're gonna continue to find t2. Remember, you're gonna use the same equation for the n term, which is tn is equals to what? Which is equals to 27 minus 6 into 2 plus 1. Now since you are looking for the second term, it means that in the place of n, we're gonna put 2. So it will be t2 is equals to 7 minus 6 into 2 plus 1. Then that would be the second term, t2 is equals to 7 minus 6 into. When you add 2 plus 1, we are getting 3, right? So it will be t2 is equals to 27 minus 6 times 3, that's 8. Then we can conclude and say, therefore, second term, which is t2, what are we basically getting? Let's check. So 7 minus 8 should give you 9. So it means that our 9 represents our second term, right? Then we now calculate what they basically want, right? So remember, you're gonna say t, which represents the common difference, is equals to second term minus the first term. Then just gonna write t equals to, now our t2 is 9, so it will be 9 minus t1 is 1. Therefore, the value of the common difference is going to be 9 is 15. You're going to get what? You're going to get negative. So it means that as you are calculating this function right here, you must get negative 6 being the common difference. Now let's deal with number 2. So number 2, as you're checking, they want us to calculate what? The 20th term. Now for you to calculate the 20th term, must first write the n, which is the general term, given by what? Tn is equals to 7 minus 6 into n plus 1. Then since the question wants the 20th term, in a nutshell, what do they want? They simply want t number 20. So that our t number 20 is question. Now what you're going to do, you're gonna say t, then in place of n, you're gonna put 20. So it's equals to, you're gonna say 27 minus then 6 into. Now since our number of terms is 20, you're gonna say 20 plus 1. Then 20 equals to. 27 minus 6 into, when you add 20 plus 1, you're going to get 21. Then our T20 equals to 27 minus, now we're going to multiply 6 times 1. What are we getting? 126. I'm going to say the 20th term, therefore, the 20th term being represented by T20 is equals to the 27 minus 126. That means that is negative 99. So this is how basically we solve this, guys. So when they want us to calculate the 20th term, so say our 20th term negative 99, you say therefore the 20th term of the sequence is negative 99. So that's how basically we're going to answer this question. The one